Hello coders, and welcome to How to Fix. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new bug that you might find challenging to solve. So without further ado, let's dive into today's bug.
Now, let's execute code 1 to generate the error and observe what happens. Now, here's the breakdown and the fix for the issue. Please pause the video to absorb the explanation. Let's now correct the code and take a look at the resulting outcome. And just like that, the code is running smoothly and our output is on point. The bug has been squashed. We've reached the end of today's episode. If you found this video informative, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more coding solution videos. Stay passionate, never stop learning, and enjoy your coding journey.